Marketing is literally going to determine whether or not your business will make it. Because if you're not marketing your products, it doesn't matter what you're selling. You could have the best product in the world, but if you do not know how to properly market or who to properly market your products to, your business will fail. No worries, I created this entire video just to help you guys and prevent you guys from failing at owning an online business. So let's get into it. Although I am giving you guys a blueprint to marketing your business, this plan, these strategies will not work if you do not put in the work. The most important investment you can make into your business is to create a marketing strategy. Before you go ahead and start applying things from this marketing strategy, you have to make sure you know exactly who your target audience is. How do you expect people to buy things from your business, services or products from your business, if you do not know exactly who to market these products to? So the whole entire idea of getting a target audience and a marketing strategy is to know who exactly to put your products in front of, who exactly is going to be willing, and who exactly is going to want to buy your product. So which one do you think would generate more sales? A person who has no idea who to market to and they're just sending out ads and promoting their products to everyone? Or is it going to be the person on this side who actually knows who to target, what their target audience like? Who do you think is going to make more sales? So if you guys are interested and you don't know exactly who your target audience is, don't worry, I've created an entire video for that purpose and I've linked it right here. For this business marketing strategy, we are going to be going over the 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's of marketing is going to be product, price, place, promotion. Product. Okay, so what exactly are you selling? What is your product? What is your service? What are you selling? Does it satisfy your customers' needs? What makes your product unique? So when you're figuring out your product, I definitely encourage you guys to go over to your competitors and figure out what are some of their weaknesses. So sometimes I'll go on a business page and I'll see that their processing time takes forever, their shipping takes forever, and their quality is not the best quality. So then in that situation, you would go ahead and make a faster processing and a faster shipping time to make your customers happy. I'm telling you guys, they absolutely love to get their orders before the expected time. So you want to go ahead and try to do that. You want to go all out and you want to make sure that you are offering the best quality as opposed to your competitors. So when it comes to having a business, you want to figure out how you can make your business stand out and make your business unique. So you want to make shopping at your business an experience, which is exactly what I like to do. You want their experience with shopping with you to be unforgettable. Price. So you want your prices to be as to where you're able to generate some type of profit, because that's the whole entire point of having a online business. You want to generate income. So you have to calculate your prices accordingly so that you're making profit. And do not forget to include taxes in that. When you're picking out your prices, it's also super important to be aware of what your competitors' prices are. When you have the same products as someone else, or you're in the same niche and your products are more expensive than theirs, your brand is going to be perceived as a higher class brand than theirs because you're charging more money. If you're going to be charging a higher price, definitely make sure your products are the best of quality and that you're creating a really good experience and you're giving off the feel of a high class brand. When you price your products the same, it's going to allow you to fit in perfectly with your competitors because you guys will literally have the same prices. So it's like their quality is not the best and their shipping time, their processing time is not the fastest. So we're going to go ahead and go with this company on this side because their quality is amazing and they ship faster and process faster. And also when you set your prices lower than your competitors, this is going to kind of lure customers in because it's like, oh my God, this company sells it for this much, they sell it for that much, but their quality is better and they're also cheaper. So yeah, of course, we're going to go with these people over here. Third P is going to be the place. Where are you going to be marketing your products? Which social media platform are you going to use? So when it comes to picking out a place that you're going to be marketing your products or your services on, you definitely want to keep in mind your target audience again. So where does your target audience spend most of their time? Which platform is it? If it's a younger target audience, then it's most likely TikTok. If it's like middle age, 18 plus, it could be Instagram. And also if it's more of a mature audience, it's on Facebook. So you have to choose accordingly. So the last P is going to be promotion. So when you're thinking about promotion, you want to think, and you also want to keep in mind, like, where does your target audience spend the most time? So you're going to be placing your products in front of those people on this platform. That is why I cannot stress how important it is to know your target audience, because you're not going to know which platform you should be marketing and targeting people on if you do not know who you're targeting in the first place. If you're interested in figuring out who your target audience is and learning how to do that, I have a video linked up here for you guys. Completely free, you guys. I feel like I'm helping thousands of people come up like on their businesses, because all of this content is like free. It's like completely mind-blowing for me. Like, I didn't have this type of stuff when I was starting. So now that you guys know the 4 marketing P's, you now have the knowledge to be able to properly market your business. But don't forget, the most important step is to know your target audience. So definitely make sure you guys watch that video linked above and also linked below. So that is going to be it. You guys now have the steps to properly market. I want you guys to get on the job, you guys. It's 2023. We need to get to work. Let's go. Let's start and build this generational wealth, you guys. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and much love. I can't do the heart on this side because I'm holding this mic because I'm usually at my desk, but I want to switch it up. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.